FFJ TV LED backlight. Key features, is it worth it? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the FFJ TV LED backlight. So it's immersive screen sync and smart app control and presets and cuttable and size options, like comes in 14.7 feet for 55 to 65 inch TVs. And on the other hand, it's quick setup and durability and brightness, like rated up to 50,000 hours lifespan, with high quality LED offering vivid colors and adjustable brightness for ambient comfort. So the pros are immersive color sync enhances movie and gaming experience, real-time response, and easy DIY installation with solid adhesive and cut to length flexibility. And great value, often half the price of premium brands with similar features, and music sync and dynamic mode support and versatility beyond screen color matching. And there are some cons, like a color accuracy is mixed, uses a camera based sensor, brightness may feel limited in well lit rooms. So best for you if you watch movies or play games in dim lighting, you want dynamic LED lighting without spending much, you enjoy sync to music lighting modes and app-based presets. Not ideal if you require production-grade color accuracy, you dislike camera-based syncing or possible minor sync delays. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.